Hello students. In this video we'll use the fact that angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees, which is geometry fact number 5. Now the easiest way to show that this is true is to take a triangle like this, cut it out, and just tear off the 3 corners, and then just line those corners up, such as this. So here's a triangle, 3 corners torn off, and look what happens when you line up the corners. They make a 180 degree angle. So the angles of any triangle add to 180 degrees. Okay, let's go ahead and do a few calculations based on that. So here we have a triangle. 2 of the angles are 50 degrees and 70 degrees. Let's find the size of the unknown angle. So I'm going to do this one by saying I know that y equals 180 because all the angles add to 180 degrees. Take away the 50, take away the 70. If I'm taking away 50, taking away 70, that's the same as taking away 120, and therefore y must be 60 degrees. And the coded reason for that, or the reason for that, is angles in a triangle add to 180, and that's the coded reason for it, which makes it easier to draw the diagram than to write out that sentence. Okay, why don't you try the remaining 3 questions, please? Okay, this one's done much the same, so we can say x equals 180, take 68, take 55. Oh, these numbers are a little bit harder to work with. So I'm going to add those together and then take the answer away from 180. So 60 plus 50 is 110. 8 plus 5 is 13, so 110 plus 13 is 123. So 180, take 123. And if I take away 120, I get 60. Take away another 3, I get 57. So x equals 57 degrees. And the reason that I know that that's the size is because all the angles in a triangle add to 180. Okay, let's have a look at the last 2. Okay, this one's nice and easy. If that's a 90 degree angle, these 2 have to be 45 each for them all to add to 180. So this one I would actually not even do any setting out. D is 45 degrees. Reason is angles in a triangle add to 180. Because we got the variable appearing more than once here, let's do this one using algebra. So 2y plus 130 adds to 180. Take away 130, and 2y equals 50, and oops, divide both sides by 2, and y equals 25 degrees. And once again, the reason behind that, the reason for that, is the angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. Okay, let's move on and look at a couple of other geometry facts.